Asia, dali, Asia.
Let's remove
this. Oh, do we have this? Yan.
It's perfect, lady.
How can I try to take it?
Yes.
100K.
Ha?
Mama.
Mama?
Mama.
Mama. Call Vianney, Michael. Let's make thumbnail. Ayun, umiyak po siya guys, no? It's okay, baby. It's okay din. Imbis na masaya, umiyak naman. May isa kasing hindi masaya sa buhay. Ewan ko ba. Hi guys! Welcome back again sa aming channel. So guys, for today's video, we are so excited to share with you our
YouTube team.
silver buttons finally is here.
YouTube team.
YouTube things. Silver button. This is silver button. You get the silver button win. You reach
When you reach 100K.
100K subscribers. Ayan. Okay, we're gonna
And
open
the
it.
100K subscribers we take
Guys.
Isabel birthday.
Guys.
On 13th of April.
Yes, we
Guys.
talk. And it arrived this one last week, no, babe? It arrived last week, no? And yeah. So ayan, we're gonna open it with Isabel, Michael, and Asia.
Ok, io l'ho già aperto.
Okay, let's open it.
Ecco.
Uy, Asia, dali, Asia. Let's remove this. Oh, do we have this? Yan. Aspita, Asia, aspita. Aspita. We have this. Do you remember your first subscribers? Your 100? Yes! Thank you so much sa lahat ng aming subscribers. Thank you. And your 100. On your 1,000 subscriber, chances are you do, and we know that you are definitely remember of your 100,000 subscribers. YouTube CEO, yeah.
Guys,
Eh, ada siya binig ko.
Horror impressive this.
Ada siya binig ko siya. Isabel siya, Isabel.
Hi, can I do a haul? Can I touch this?
Yes. And let's open it.
Oh, look,
Don't do it. Recognize your team. Asia is not in the video.
What is this?
This is perfect, lady.
How can I try to take it?
Yes.
100K.
100K subscribers.
It's like a mirror.
Finally, we are now
YouTuber.
Before we are now
A star of YouTube.
no, a real YouTuber no, Asia, star of YouTube. Huh?
Cancel that, star.
Oh no, you remove that. Asia is just making the things.
But she get crazy. Wow, I just hit a star.
Hey, but what is the problem of a star? It's
It's just a problem. That's right.
Huh?
Mama.
Mama?
Mama.
Mama! So, ayun na nga guys, no? And finally, we reached the 100,000 subscriber! Ayan, sariling sikap tayo guys kasi wala tayong videographer. And, here, bini ko anak, bini ko. So, ayan po siya, no? Ang ganda. Asia, come here, bebe! Excited si Asia mag-unbox nito. Dapat kahapon to namin ina-unbox nung nagsi-celebrate kami ng Mother's Day, nung nagpipiknip kami. Kaso lang, hindi na namin nagawa guys kasi super busy. Napaalis nga kami doon sa pinagpiknikan namin kasi nga daw sa mga aso daw yun. Actually, hindi naman talaga mga aso yun eh. Public yun, pero umalis na lang din kami kasi marami talagang aso. And si Asia guys, umalis po dito guys, umiyak kasi may sinasabi kasi siyang kanina, YouTube star daw, and parang naano yata yung tatay niya ba. And si Asia umiyak kasi naglilinis kasi ako kanina ng bicycle ni Michael. Hindi ko napansin yung kuko ko pala guys, may itim-itim pa. Yung bicycle ni Michael ba, yung niya, yung kadina, tanggal. No, thank you so much guys sa pagsuporta nyo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi naman tayo umabot sa ganito, no? And ayan, si Isabel. Hi! Hi Langga! Hi! So, ngayon ay matatawag ko na yung sarili ko na vlogger. Actually, humina naman tayo na pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo guys kahit minsan lang tayo mag-upload ng video. At least gumagawa-gawa pa rin kami paminsan-minsan kasi para naman ma-update ko rin kayo sa namin, no. And kami lang po muna ngayon guys, no, kasi si Tony ayaw po muna niyang makipag sa aming video, no. And ayan, tawag dito. Isabel, tingnan mo si Isabel. Hi. Say hi anak. Come here. Let's make thumbnail anak. Let's make thumbnail with Isabel. Bring Isabel. Asya! Guys, no, sariling sikap tayo guys kasi walang sumusuporta sa atin dito guys. Walang sumusuporta sa atin dito. Hindi masaya. Kahit naman ganun guys, itutuloy ko pa rin yung aking pag-vlog kasi nga mapapansin nyo hindi na masyado sa video namin si Tony kasi ayaw na po niya kaming magbibideo-video ng kasama ang mga bata kasi nga daw ewan ko. Dati pa naman talaga okay naman sa kanya magbibideo-video ako, kaya lang hindi maganda pag isasama-sama mo yung mga bata ba, sabi niya. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya, nandito na tayo sa social media, hindi naman sa lahat talaga, no. Siyempre may privacy pa naman din tayo, no, kahit na na tayo sa social media ba, ganun. And ayan, maraming salamat guys. Si Asya ay umiyak po, hindi na po pumunta sa akin kasi super excited kasi siya dapat magbukas nito, kaso lang nasira dahil sa papa niya.
A few moments later.
Michael, let's make thumbnail. Ayun, umiyak po siya guys, no. It's okay baby, it's okay din. Imbis na masaya, umiyak naman na. May isa kasing hindi masaya sa buhay. Ewan ko ba. Come here na, Michael! Isabel, Vinny! That's okay, baby. Michael, Vinny, anak! Subito, dai! Come here. Come in the other side. Dali. Come here, anak. Kwa! Vinny, Isabel, bring. Dali. We can do like that. Wada. Ooh, dai, come on. No, we don't even need him, anak. We should not call him. Wada, come on, dali. Isabel! Iko, mama. Agoy! Come here lang. Kasi ko si Michael. Michael, not like that. Can you take Isabel, anak? Take Isabel, baby. Give to Ate Asya. Isabel will stay with Ate Asya. Come on. Whee! Come on, anak, day. Michael, day, come. Agoy. Kisas, tayo na lang tatlo. Thank you. Let's say thank you, anak. So ayun na nga guys, no, and Asya will say thank you to everyone, our loyal supporters sa ating 100,000 subscriber. Thank you so much guys. Say thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Kahit sad yan si Asya, it's okay. And we are happy na na-reach natin ito. And ayan, isasabit natin to sa ating guys, ating kwarto. Anak, no? Ayan. Asya was really excited to get this yesterday, to open yesterday. Daya, make you with picture. You want to make picture with that? Umiyak siya kasi nga yung tatay niya mapanira.
This is such a thing.
Whee! Italian Pinoy
Later we're
family.
gonna have the gold one.
Hey, that's too long, anak, to get.
But
Okay.
after the gold one, we are gonna have same this, but
Yes, we
later
have to
like
make
that,
video, baby.
we're gonna go to this.
The gold.
This
That's the diamond.
the diamond. And later we're gonna have that one with the things red inside.
That's a ruby, see.
The ruby is very nice.
Very nice. See, we have to make a lot of video then because no, unfortunately guys, Asya and Michael is not really participating always in video na kasi they are busy. They have they have school and
Tomorrow
anak,
me,
no?
I'm going somewhere with the school.
Asya is going to school.
I'm
Yes.
gonna eat ice cream with the school.
Yeah, okay. And ayan, thank you so much guys. Si Chocho, anak.
Bye bye guys, and subscribe for this channel.
Ciao.
Bye bye.